Hello, GED students. Welcome. We are looking at this example from the experience level practice of the order of operations. So we are simplifying an expression here, 1/2 times 20 plus 6.2 times 5. And we're going to do it by hand to practice a little bit with multiplying fractions and decimals. The first thing I want you to notice is 1/2 times 20. Remember, one way to think about multiplication is scaling. So you can also read this as the word of. 1/2 of 20. And most of us know right away that half of 20 is the same as 10. You say, did I just multiply and it got smaller? Yes, multiplication is an act of scaling. If I multiply by something less than 1, 1/2 is less than 1. I'm going to get something smaller. I just took half of 20. Beautiful. Now for 6.2 times 5, I'm going to do some side work here. I call it decimal denial when I'm multiplying with decimals, but basically I'm going to ignore the decimal at first while I multiply and multiply as usual. So 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 5 is 30. Add in that 1 and I get 31. Now the main thing with decimal multiplication is that you need to remember that you count the number of decimal places in the problem. So one decimal place in the problem means one decimal place in the answer. So this is 31.0 or just 31. So this ends up being 10 plus 31. I did the multiplication before I'm going to do the addition, just like the order of operations tells me to do. And now it's time to do the addition. 10 plus 31 is 41. All right, hope that makes sense. Happy learning.